काफ़ी बढ़िया है एंड देश का नाम ओलंपिक्स में रोशन किया, उससे भी बढ़िया कुछ हो नहीं सकता। और देश के लिए खेलना एक प्राउड की बात होती है। और फैमिली के लिए और सबके लिए जो जिन्होंने मेरे पे बिलीव किया कि या मैं मेडल ला सकता हूँ, तो काफ़ी बढ़िया लग रहा है उसके लिए।
Good day for India at the Paris Games. Hello everyone, we're back with the bulletin from Paris Olympics. Let's start the bulletin with the updates.
Swapnil Kosale won India its third bronze medal at Paris Olympics 2024, finishing third in the men's 50-meter rifle three-position final. 28-year-old Swapnil joined fellow shooters Manu Bhakar and Sarabjot Singh to complete a hat-trick of medals for India at Games in shooting for the first time. In the finals, Kosale scored 451 points. China got the gold while Ukraine settled for a silver. This is for the first time that India have won 3 shooting medals in a single edition of Olympic Games.
छुट्टी की वजह से मैं काफ़ी शूटिंग में ज़्यादा फोकस ले रहा था एंड उसके वजह से जो भी कैंप्स है जो एसोसिएशन रख रही थी, फेडरेशन एंड एवरीवन लाइक साई एंड टॉप्स एवरीवन, सो उसके बलौदत काफ़ी चीज़ें हद से मैंने खुद को इम्प्लीमेंट किया चीज़ों को एंड जितना सब हो सके खुद के बॉडी के ऊपर उसको जैसे बोलते हैं कि मोल्ड किया, तो उसको ट्राई करके एंड एक यहाँ पे परफॉर्म करने के लायक मैंने बना दिया खुद को। मेडल लाना है नहीं लाना है इस बारे में कभी सोचा नहीं मैंने, मतलब हर एक एथलीट का सपना होता है मेडल लाना है, बस मुझे यहाँ परफॉर्म करना है, मुझे खुद को शांति में रखिए और इंडिया का नाम प्राउड करना है, बस यही मैंने सोचा था। फैमिली, एवरीवन, कोचेस, इंडिया, सबके लिए जिन्होंने मेरे साथ यहाँ पे इतना सपोर्ट किया एंड बिलीव किया, तो हर सबके लिए। या मम्मी पापा जाते हैं खेत में तो थोड़ा सा तो वहाँ पे स्ट्रगल होता है एंड आई फील कि या अच्छा है, काफ़ी चीज़ें जो मैं उनके लिए कर सकता हूँ अभी इसके बाद, कि जितनी भी उनको तकलीफ़ होती है तो आई कैन उनको दूर कर सकता हूँ। अभी फ़िलहाल तो भूख लगी है तो कुछ खाने जाऊँगा एंड इसके बाद इंडिया में जाते ही पहले फैमिली एंड सबको मिलूँगा, फिर फैमिली के साथ भगवान जी उनके दर्शन करने जाऊँगा एंड फिर बैक टू नॉर्मल लाइफ टू शूटिंग।
In the All-Indian Badminton pre-quarterfinal men's singles encounter, Lakshya Sen eased past HS Pranoy in straight games. The 22-year-old is the only third Indian shuttler to make the men's singles quarterfinals after Kidambi Srikanth and P. Kashyap. In hockey, Team India lost a thrilling match going down 1-2 to Belgium in the men's Pool B clash. Abhishek scored for India in the 18th minute. However, the Olympic champion struck with goals from Emmanuel Stropolox and John Doman in the 33rd and 44th minutes respectively to deny India points. Despite the defeat, India have qualified for the quarterfinals. Two-time Olympic medalist PV Sindhu's quest for the hat-trick ended as she lost to He Bingjiao of Chinese Taipei in the pre-quarterfinals. Remember, Sindhu had beaten Bingjiao in Tokyo to win the bronze medal at the last Olympics. In men's doubles, India's superstar duo of Satvik Sairaj Reddy and Chirag Shetty's campaign was halted by the formidable Malaysian pair in 3 games. In boxing, Nikat Zareen, another medal hope who was handed a tough draw, lost to the Chinese top seed in the women's 50 kilograms round of 16 bout. China's Wu Yu defeated the Indian 5-0 via unanimous decision. In 50 meters women's 3-position event, young Sip Kaur Samra and Anjum Modgil failed to qualify for the final. Modgil finished 18th and Sip Kaur Samra 31st in the qualification. In archery, Praveen Jadhav lost in the round of 16, bringing the curtains down on the Indian men's campaign in the individual event. In golf, Shubhankar Sharma is 29th and Gaganjeet Bhullar 56th after round 1 of the men's individual event. In sailing, Vishnu Sarvanan, participating in his second Olympics, had a tough opening day, finishing 25th overall after 2 races. And for a second timer at Olympics, Netra Kumanan was impressive in the first race and is 6th after day 1. In athletics women's 20 kilometers race walk, Priyanka Goswami had an ordinary day, finishing 41st. While India fared slightly better in the men's 20-kilometer race walk, with Vikas Singh finishing 30th, Paramjeet Singh Bish 37th, and Akashdeep Singh did not finish the race. And here's a look at the medals tally after day 6 of the competition. With 3 bronze medals, India are 43rd on the table.
Let's see how many Indians are going to participate today at the Games.
In shooting, 2-time bronze medalists Manu Bakar and Isha Singh will feature in the 25-meter pistol women's qualification, precision and rapid rounds. Men's skeet qualification also begins today with Anujit Singh Naruka in action. In archery, Ankita Bhagat and Dheeraj Bommadevara will be in action in the mixed team round of 16 against Indonesia. In athletics, Tajinder Pal Singh Toor will kick off his campaign in the men's shot put qualification round. And Parul Chowdhury will be in action in the women's 5,000 meter round 1. In badminton, all eyes will be on Lakshya Singh as he takes on Chou Tien Shen of Chinese Taipei in the men's singles quarterfinals. India will be up against Australia in the final men's Pool B hockey match. In golf, Gaganjeet Bhullar and Shubhankar Sharma will be in action in round 2. In sailing, Vishnu Saravanan and Nitra Kumanan will be in action in their respective events. In judo, for the first time ever, India will be fielding a participant when Tulika Man takes on the Cuban opponent in the women's 78 plus kilograms round of 32.
That's all for now. Keep following us for more updates.